What's up guys? I wanted to introduce you to my new Supra soarer angle kit that we just finished developing. So it uses a unique design where we actually made a knuckle adapter that fastens to the knuckle using the control arm pickup and the lower ear mount of the brake caliper. And with the 50 millimeters of roll center correction, we also bolted the upper control arm instead of on top of the knuckle, moved it to the bottom, giving it that 50 millimeter drop as well. The kit is gonna have fully adjustable Ackerman. We made adjustments to the KPI, the trail, and the caster. It's gonna feature our tie rod setup like we have on a lot of our other kits. You're gonna be able to run this kit using the factory inner tie rods, but you can upgrade to our full section, which includes this rack adapter that actually fits perfectly inside of the rack, giving you the full rack travel range with a little bit of extra, giving you the most amount of angle out of the kit. Because it uses the stock knuckle, you can continue to use your OEM calipers and rotors. The clearance on all the arms was designed so that the caliper isn't going to interfere with anything on the upper or the lower. The lower design is made out of a high-strength alloy steel. It has two options for your shock to change the ratio that your spring is at. All adjustments to the upper and lower are really easy to do using these rod ends. The factory camber bolts are still used, and those are all the highlights of this kit.